maximum runtime is 6 hours. So let's see, DJI to PC, then run DJI Assistant 2 to activate. Okay. So activate with DJI Assistant 2. Download from DJI.com/DJI Goggles. So I got to download that from my computer. First thing, I got to charge it. Activate with DJI Go 4 app. Please update the apps. The app first DJI Assistant 2 can also be used for activation. Oh, okay. Well, I already got the 4 app is already hooked up. Video play device, use HDMI cable. Inspire series and Phantom 4 Pro HDMI cable. Live view only. Phantom Inspire 2 Phantom 4 series. Use the micro USB cable. Live view only. Support somatic control of focus. Visit DJI website for future updates. And for the Mavic Pro, you can use the Oculus Sync, which means you don't have to use any cables. Press the link button on the Mavic Pro in DJI Goggles or enter Tools Setting /link setting to connect. So we will do that in the next video. I'm going to plug this in and we will get this charging. Now I'm not sure which. I always kept thinking it was going to be the cables. Okay, maybe the rest of it's right in this box. I didn't look in here. I didn't update the box. Okay. Ah, sweet. I don't have to use somebody else's cables. I didn't look in here. I was swift. Because I have actually got HDMI cables that I got when I upgraded the controller for the Phantom. Yes, you do. It actually has an HDMI cable that comes with it, so you don't have to worry about that. And the charging cable. And looks like lens cleaner. And here's a clip for something or other. That was part of the. I guess if I look back here, I'll see what was in the systems here. Doesn't show the hardwares that came with it. Okay, now you got like 10 or 12 different languages. And again, disclaimers. What's this one here? Yes, okay. Wire clip, headband, goggles. This tells you exactly. Cleaning cloth. Micro USB, which is this one here, used for charging, and then HDMI cable, this one here, and then a charger plug. So there we go, very nice. Okay, well, let's get the, and I believe I'm going to plug this in. right chair. Right? Maybe that's to go the right direction, dude. Okay. Plugged in there. HDMI or cable. Okay, sweet. Now let's get this plugged in. Alright. And there's your plug. And now it is doing its semi-charge thing. Cables are not that long. Figure out a good place to put it or hang it while I'm doing that. I'll do that. Alright. So let us, I think it'll be alright. I'll lay it right here for now. Alright. Okay. So that ends that. And again is the HDMI cable and all that good stuff. Alright. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and get this charged. And I'll put it over here with all my other chargers. Put it right here. Alright, there we go. See, we're charging here. Charge connector there. So, alright. So there we go. It does come with an HDMI cable. You're going to go ahead and use it on the Phantom systems. This case, here's this connector here. I just went to upgrade my system. Added $100 upgrade. Has the HDMI hookup and the smaller mini hookup. Have a troubleshooting plug in there, and then the mini cable hookup. So this was set up to do the this is a different, yeah, of course this is going to be we're going the wrong setup. This one's coming out of the mini port. Wrong way. It goes in the mini port for the hookup. HDMI. I guess I'm wrong. So I guess that's got to be a mini. That's got to be a regular HDMI port, because it doesn't. It's just way too big. Way too big for that. Which means it's coming out of another Aspire. Maybe Aspire's controller. But it don't fit that one. So anyway. Alright. Alright. This is that question. So, but again, with the Mavic, you don't even have to worry about it because it's using that Osculus wireless.